There's a lot to debate now that the iPhone 15 series mega specifications are finally out, but first let's take the greatest, close-up look at the design of the iPhone 15 and 15 Pros and learn a little about their color options. The iPhone 15 series was delayed until October, and the performance upgrade is the largest yet. Apple finally bids goodbye to the notch for forever. Since 2017, every new iPhone has featured a notch, but as of today, all iPhones have the dynamic island in its place, giving us the slimmest bezels ever on an iPhone. The dynamic island size is comparable to how it appears on the iPhone 14 Pro series, but it will grow smaller on subsequent iPhone models until we reach fully bezel-less models, which is still quite a bit away. The USB-C port, which is now available for all iPhone models, means that any fast charger can now charge all of your Android iPhone laptops and other items, and the lightning problem is finally over. You should be able to alter it and add whatever functionality you want. They also changed the mute switch to the action button, which gives it a bit different appearance. Finally, these iPhone 15 series are thicker and heavier than before thanks to a bigger battery. And no, the stacked battery isn't happening with the iPhone 15 series according to the latest rumors. That's likely going to happen with the iPhone 16 series next year. The size of the iPhone 15 Pro series has titanium, so they're gonna have a matte finish compared to the glossy size that we saw on the 14 Pro series, so that's a big good design upgrade in my opinion. The Apple A17 chip is very important for smartphones in general because it will be the first smartphone chip to be based on the 3nm TSMC process. This means that it will destroy every chip currently on the market and, according to reports, will result in the biggest performance upgrade for iPhones in years, along with significant increases in efficiency or even longer battery life. Despite all the positive developments, there is some somewhat unfavorable news. It seems that Apple is having production-related problems with the display panels for the 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and 15 Ultra, which will be comparable to problems with the iPhone 12 series in 2020. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.